In this video, I'll show you how to track your mileage in QuickBooks Online using the new interface, so you can keep accurate travel records and separate business drives from personal ones without confusion. Start by opening the Expenses section from the left panel and selecting Mileage, which brings you to the workspace where all recorded trips are listed and managed. From here you can manually add a trip by clicking Add Trip, entering the date, start and end locations, total distance, and selecting whether the drive was business or personal, because this classification directly affects summaries and reimbursement calculations. Include a short purpose note such as client meeting or supply pickup, and choose the correct vehicle if you manage more than one to maintain organized logs. You can also enable the round trip option to automatically duplicate the return journey, saving time and reducing missed entries. Recording trips soon after driving and reviewing totals regularly helps maintain clearer records and avoids reporting gaps later. Subscribe for simple tech tutorials and honest software walkthroughs every week.